and welcome to my channel. I'm Swati, famously known as Mind Coach Swati. I'm a career development growth coach, and with me today in my Hall of Fame interview is Archana Chaudhary, who's part of my Action Takers community, a community of working professionals where we help everyone to elevate in their journey. And today I'm very, very happy and delighted to share that Archana here with me has recently got a new job, accomplished a new dream job that she has been chasing for quite some time now, and she'd like to share her journey with us, how she got through it, what was the entire journey about. Hi Archana, how are you doing?
Hi Swati, I'm doing good. Delighted to see you here.
Same here, dear. Really happy to have you in my Hall of Fame series and also in my community, obviously. Why don't you share with us the experience, the recent experience that you got, when you joined this company?
Yes, sure. I will be very much delighted to share my experience. And I'll start with expressing my gratitude, so that I have found you as my coach. Because you're one of the leader who is leading by example, which I have not seen in my last 18 years. So, I left my job on 31st May, without even thinking how I'm going to get the next job. And for the first 1 week, I was completely hopeless, and I started getting scared, whether I'll get, a job at this age or not. I'll not mind sharing my age. I've turned 45 years. So the biggest fear that I had in my mind is my age, whether I'll get a new job or not. And secondly, I was directionless. So the first thing that the Career Elevation program has given me is a direction. And, this program is just not about preparing you for your interviews, how you prepare your resume, how you look, good in your interviews. No, it starts from the very basic point where it tells you why goal settings are important and how you have to be an action taker to achieve or to become the person we always wanted to be. So it's a very structured program. So the first thing that helped me is goal setting. So I did set up my goal that I am looking to secure a high paying job. And trust me, I was not expecting a hike of even 10%, looking at the confidence I had. But I have, acquired a hike of 30%. And I'll be honest, since, I was so scared and all, still scared. I did not ask for a 40 or a 50%, but I'm sure, if I would have asked for a 50 or a 50% or a 60%, I would have got that hike. Because, I'm still learning about the positive narrative, that you've always taught to us. And the other two things that have really happened, that has really changed about me, that I have stopped procrastinating and I have got rid of all my limiting belief. Swati, I'm sure you would see the confidence that I'm talking with. You have seen me talking in the sessions as well, where I was fumbling or whether, I was forgetting what I wanted to say. You can see my confidence. So this program, I would recommend this program to each and every person, not only who's stuck in your career, but this program is going to help you in every field of your life, whether it's your health, whether it's your personal beliefs, or in professional life. Will be wonderful getting into this, getting associated with community. Because it's not just only about this course, it's about Swati, who's able to, give that belief, give that faith as she is leading by example.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed to hear this, Archana. But the first thing, I'm very happy to hear that, 30% salary hike. And I remember the time when we first interacted in the class and you said that I'm a little jittery about how much percentage to ask and, how do I go about it? And then, the entire structure when we shared our discussion. But I'm happy that, and like what you said, had you asked 50%, you could have probably got that as well.
Yes.
But I'm happy that you had the courage to ask for 30 and you got that. So congratulations on that note. And one more quick thing I'd like to share, I really pointed out, and that what you mentioned is again a limiting belief that not only you, but many women carry, women or men. I do hear a lot of people say that I'm above the age, so how do I think I'll get it, So thank you so much. I think you overcome that limiting belief at this age. And again, I don't say this is an age at all to be worrying about age factor or barrier. I think 40s is the prime for working working professionals, right? Particularly women, I would say, because that's the time when you start maturing as an individual. You have an experience in the past, and you have a full future in the ahead of you. So I think, yeah, it's an example that you're setting, Archana, for many people after getting this opportunity, after getting this wonderful job of yours. You're setting an example for many people inside our community and outside as well, that yes, at that age and that stage of your life also it's possible. So thank you so much for inspiring all of us. A quick thing I'd like to ask, Archana, is while you did mention that there's a lot of things that has changed personally and professionally with you, but what are the three major attributes that you feel, or your takeaways you feel, that from the community, from the sessions, from the learnings you have kind of, that has helped you to kind of elevate from where you are right now?
Okay, so Swati, first thing that I realized is, as you explained about the resume is about, selling yourself in the market.
Correct.
And it should look good. Apart from that, I also realized I have replaced the word. I will use this word, that people have been using is chamchagiri. But, you made us realize that it is not chamchagiri. It is the good, better word is networking. Networking is really, really important. And, looking at your session for the LinkedIn profile, I actually enhanced my LinkedIn profile. And I think that has also really helped me because, this was my first interview in 1 month. And I'm so glad that the operational manager was so impressed with everything around me. He selected me in one go. And I'll share another experience. I did not clear my, there is an MCAT exam, along with that interview. I did not clear the first time. And I was like, I again gave up. I said, okay, Archana, maybe next time. They gave me another attempt. And again, I failed. But they liked me so much that I was the only person who was given the third chance. And this time, I again made it a goal. And this time my goal expiry was 24 hours. I said, I have to clear this within 24 hours. And trust me, I did it. Everything on that exam was so simple. I can't tell. It's just that, I attracted everything. Because of my limiting beliefs has gone, my procrastination has gone out of my life. They're not my part of life anymore. I'm really glad about it.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah, that's one thing. And, I would suggest everyone to go through your session. I think it's in season 2 where you spoke about debunking procrastination. The kind of examples and the kind of, the exercises are there. And along with the exercises that we can follow to overcome it, it's tremendous. I mean, you might see a lot of courses around the globe, but your courses are the best. People might just find it, that I'm trying to flatter you. I am not trying to flatter anyone. I am the person. You can talk with others. It is very difficult to get an appreciation from Archana. So if I am, if anybody, who knows me and who would see this, interview, they would really believe me. And I have already spoken about you with a lot of people. They are watching you on your, you on Instagram. I'm sure many of them are going to join you after looking, the improvement in me. The third session that I would really want everybody to go through is limiting beliefs. The exercises are so powerful. Maybe you go on YouTube, you go anywhere, but you will not find a session like that. I really find it very, very powerful. I've already appreciated Swati in the sessions. So I'm too soon going to follow your time management as well. Because, you've been an example for that as well. Whether it's your son's birthday, whether it's your... you're under the weather, anything, nothing stops you. You're an unstoppable lady. So, you are my idol. And you always said, that surrender to your mentor. And I really surrender to you. I'm going to come back to you again and again, for your guidance. And I'm sure, down the line, 5 years when you take my interview, I'll be at a very, very high position. I'm 100% sure now. That's my next goal that I've set up in my goal book.
Wonderful. Absolutely. And I'm very, very happy when while you're talking right now and you're going through the sessions, and I did mention in one of the classes as well, very few people, so I'll just tell for everyone who's watching the episode right now, there is what Archana is talking about. Some of the modules have been done in season 2, season 3, not in the live sessions, but this girl here has actually taken the pain to go through all the other modules as well, which have not been covered in the live session, which a very few people do. And I was very overwhelmed the other day when you in the class also you mentioned that I've gone through your procrastination from season 2, I've gone through your limiting belief session from season 3, and so on and so forth. So the modules are all there for everyone, right? But how many people really go and actually take benefit of that, go through it, go through the pain of understanding, and like you said, surrender to the mentor, go through the process. There is a process, there's a set process. How many people really follow the 1, 2, 3, 4 process, the steps?
Yes.
I think one accolade I would like to give you, or one appreciation, very big appreciation that I'd like to give you, is it's all your effort, right? I mean, there is learning for everyone, but you've taken the pain to go through the grind, to go through the sessions, to follow the instructions, to go through the goal book, all of those things. That really has made you shine out, right? And I'm very, very happy for that. Every mentor would like to have a student like you, like I was. Right, so it is just about your hard work, Archana, and I'm really happy that you've been able to achieve what you want to achieve, and definitely over the years as well you will be able to achieve, no doubt in that, because there is a spark, there's a light in you to learn and a hunger to learn and grow every single day. So I'm very, very positive on that.
Yes, Swati, I'm really inspired by you. There was a lot of things that I was doing already, like affirmations, gratitude, but there was days, when I say, आज नहीं करते हैं यार, चलो छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं, कल रात को कर लेंगे. But then, after, listening to your story, your lifetime story, which is very, very inspiring. And then, your way of leading by example. So I make it sure each day that I am not skipping any of my tasks at all. Even if I'm sleepy, whatever, even if I'm drowsy, I will write at least 2 statements. I'll write it and I'll sleep it. And then, the next morning I'll appreciate myself, that I was able to, show up. Because you said showing up is very important. Even if it is 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, and, it will become a lifetime habit for us. And we will achieve success for sure. Nobody can stop us from reaching to our success line.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Archana, for following all these things. And like I said, the people who follow really, it's all about building a habit, right? It's building a muscle to do things every single day, and which has been working for so many people will definitely work for the others as well. One last piece of advice that you'd like to give, I'm sure you've already given a lot of advices to people, but one last piece of advice that you'd like to give our fellow action takers and the new people who are joining our community. The community is growing. We are already 250 plus right now, and I'm very, very happy and proud to say that people are joining in with the belief that they can achieve success as you have. So as a success winner yourself, as a Hall of Fame member, what is the one piece of advice that you'd like to give to our new team members?
Okay, the biggest piece of advice would be, surrender to your mentor and follow each and everything, which we are being asked to do. Right. And also go through all the sessions, any session that you like. Just don't go through the present session, go through all the seasons, because Swati's sessions are different. So the season 2 will be different, season 3 will be different, season 4 will be different. So maybe, and she has also given different names. So the debunking procrastination is time management, habit formation. So it's different. And in all the sessions, we'll get to learn something different. And consistency is the key to success.
Thank you so much. With that, we'll end our interview. Consistency is the key to success. All the very best, Archana, for your future endeavor, for your current job and the future endeavor. And like I said, the door, you're still there in the community. I want you to learn more and more with the community, with me, so that you can grow to your, grow and achieve all your goals in life. All the best, my dear. God bless you.
Thank you, Swati. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.